Today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Just now to mute your ringtone you should swipe here on the ringtone volume panel, this white dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just here on the volume button function, be sure that you guys selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. So I'll just switch that to the ringtone volume, and now just by press your down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, this doesn't matter, and here swipe with your finger this volume panel to the down. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.